the next song you should all know. I thought it was quite apt. Working 9 to 5. The joy of singing in a choir is it's really good fun to sing with other people. So, if you will join in. Okay, it's quite low, isn't it? But I thought better a low key than a high key. So it's going to start. Okay. We'll do Stumble to the kitchen, pour myself a cup of ambition, yawn and stretch and try to come to life. Jump in the shower and the blood starts pumping. Out on the street the traffic starts jumping. Folks like me on the job from 9 till 5. Working 9 till 5. What a way to make a living. Barely getting by. It's all taking and no giving. They just use your mind and they never give you credit. It's enough to drive you crazy if you let it. 9 till 5. For service and devotion, you would think that I would deserve a fair promotion. Want to move ahead, but the boss won't seem to let me. I swear sometimes that it's out to get me. Dreams to watch them shatter, just a step on the busman's ladder. You've got dreams they'll never